One of the substances controlled in homeostasis is blood sugar. So we're going to look at how the body does that now. So the sugar in the blood needs to be kept within a pretty narrow range. If there's too much glucose in the blood actually gets really thick and it's difficult for the heart to move around, which causes a lot of problems throughout the body. If there's not enough sugar in the blood, though, you don't have enough energy to work, and so you can feel dizzy, you can start getting really tired, and produce further problems in your body from there. So there are a couple of hormones that are used to control this process. Now they're produced in an organ called the pancreas. The first of these is called insulin. Now, insulin is designed to cause a decrease in how much sugar there is in the blood. It triggers the sugar to be stored in the liver and takes it out of the blood from there. The other hormone is known as glucagon. Now this does the opposite. It triggers the glucose to be released from the liver and put back into the bloodstream. So we'll just have a little bit of a look at the detail of that process, what triggers what, and the response that happens. So if there is too much glucose in the blood, that is picked up by the brain in the hypothalamus, and then that sends a message to the pancreas. The pancreas is then triggered to release insulin. Insulin makes the glucose in the blood be stored into the liver. So then that change is picked up by the hypothalamus again, checks the blood, the sugar levels are right, and then it stops the production of the insulin. Now, if there's not enough sugar in the blood, it's picked up at the same place. The hypothalamus in the brain checks the blood glucose levels, there's not enough, sends a message to the pancreas once again. This time the pancreas starts producing glucagon. So glucagon is released, sends a message to the liver then releases some sugar back into the bloodstream, and then this gets fed back. The information is picked up by the hypothalamus in the brain once again, and it's known now that the blood sugar levels are correct. Now, sometimes the process of doing this and regulating this blood sugar level isn't done well. So this may be because the hypothalamus is not functioning properly, or more likely the pancreas is not producing the right hormones at the right time. If somebody is suffering from this is known as diabetes. So people who suffer from diabetes sometimes need to assist the body in this process of maintaining the blood sugar levels in their blood, either by controlling their diet very, very strictly, or sometimes having to have injections of insulin to allow the blood sugar to be lowered in their blood. All right, that's it for blood sugar levels. We'll see you next time.